Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another episode with me, Shashank Godupa. And in today's credit card video, I'm going to tell you how you can get any kind of boat headphones or boat speakers or any kind of speakers that you want on Amazon. But again, you get a massive discount. How much discount? You might get anywhere between 5 to 15%, but let me show you that. And also I will tell you how you can do this with different type of credit cards as well, right? So this is a very important video and I want you guys to stay till the end for this. Now, let me give you another hack. Towards the end of the video, I will tell you how to do double dipping of points. What do I mean by double dipping? For the same amount, you will get 2 times or 3 times more points. Let me tell you that in the end of the video so that we optimize for most benefits. Okay, so stay tuned. Let me see you guys in the next segment. So guys, the first thing we need to do is let's find our boat headphones. So what I have done is I am choosing this Boat Rockers 550 over the ear Bluetooth headset, which is currently priced at 1,579 from an MRP of 4,999. So let's say I want to buy this. Now, if I just go buy this right now, yeah, I can get maybe some kind of benefits, but there is only Amazon Pay ICICI credit card benefits, but there is no HDFC offer over here. I can see SBI offer, but there is no HDFC card offer, right? Now, if I just want to buy this, I have to pay 1,579 and it's done. I don't get any benefit from this, but we are smart people and we use credit cards a lot. Let's see how we can get maximum benefit on this. Now, again, if you have an HDFC card or if you have an Axis Bank credit card, there are some benefits for you, right? Let me show you the benefits. For HDFC users, you come to Gifter again, which I showed you how to do it. Smart Buy, click on Smart, go to Smart Buy. From Smart Buy, click on Instant Vouchers, and after Instant Vouchers, you come to Gifter. Now, once you come to Gifter, click on Amazon and you find the Amazon Pay gift card option. Now, choose your credit card. Let's say you have a Regalia credit card and the Boat Rockers is currently at 1,600 or how much is it? 1,600 bucks. So I'm going to choose a 2,000 rupee Amazon voucher. Now look at this. When I choose a 2,000 rupee Amazon voucher, I get a value back of 1,130 rupees back, which is a reward point cashback. So I get so many reward points. Now, if I bought this over here, I would get nothing, right? But if I use this, I get 130 rupees back, which is approximately maybe 5 to 6% of return that I currently get right now on this purchase. Not 10%, but 5 to 6%. Now, if you have a Diners Black credit card, you almost have 10% straight up cashback on Amazon Pay, right? What you need to do? Very simple. You have to buy this, go to your Amazon account and add your gift card. You get Amazon Pay credit of 2,000 rupees, right? But you get cashback worth 195 points in terms of reward points back into your HDFC account. Now, if you have an Infinia card, here is the maximum benefit. This is why super premium cards are so awesome, because in an Infinia card, you almost have 15% discount on any Amazon purchase that you want to do. Now, this is just a Boat Rockers headphone. What if I want to buy something more expensive for 10,000 rupees? If I want to buy something more expensive for 10,000 rupees, then again my net effective price comes down by 16%. Right? So this is where I get maximum benefit for HDFC users. So what I do is I take 2,000, maybe I have a Regalia credit card. I just add this 2,000 to cart, right? Where is this? 2,000 to card. And if you don't want to add 2,000 and you want to add the exact 1,600 rupees and you don't want to waste that other 400, don't worry. You can do one here, one here, one here. And as you can see, you have to pay 1,623. Where is this 23? It is coming as processing fee of 1.25% plus GST, which is fine. But your net effective buying price becomes 1,500. That means your 1,579, basically you have saved 501, you have saved 79 rupees for this, right? If you're looking at boat headphones. But if you're looking at something slightly more expensive, let's say you're buying something worth 10,000 rupees on Gifter on Amazon, then what you can do is you put this here. And as you see right here, you get a net effective buy price of 9,340. Now this is where you save the most amount of money. So usually what people do is they load up on all these vouchers, they load up on all these things because they know that most of the time they have to use Amazon. So they start adding up all these vouchers on their credit cards to get again a maximum benefit. Now, if you're an Axis Bank user, let me show you how you can do that as well. On Axis Bank, go to Grab Deals. But on Axis Bank, there's a small problem. They only give you flat 2% cashback for Amazon transactions using Axis Bank credit cards. And if you have a digital savings account, you get basically flat 10% cashback. But there are other deals. So Amazon is something that keeps coming and going, right? So sometimes Amazon deals become really good. Sometimes it gives you 10x reward points, 5x reward points on Axis Bank as well. So you need to keep track. I always keep track of what is happening on Smart Buy. Every other day I start checking that. And once that happens, I start adding up all these vouchers, and when I add up all these vouchers, I get maximum discount for all of this. Then what I do, I go to Amazon, I add them in my cart, I start adding all of these things in my cart as well, and then when I go to pay, I get the maximum benefit for this. Now let me show you another way where we can get more benefits, which is a double hack, or what I call is as a double dip of points. Let me show you that in the next segment. Okay guys, so let me talk about the secret hack on how you can get double dipping of points, and for this we will use intermiles, which will give us more benefits on the same 1500 rupees purchase, right? So what we'll do first is, boss, we are going to our HDFC or Axis Bank portal, buying a gift card. When we buy the gift card, we get anywhere between 5 to 10% off on the gift card. Super premium cards get approximately 15% off on the gift card. Then we add the gift card into Amazon, add the boat rockers into our cart, but we do not purchase yet. Then what we do, we come to Intermiles, you log into your Intermiles account, click on shop, okay, for the same boat rockers, right? Click on shop, and now I'm going to choose Amazon.in over here. Now what it says, every 100 rupees I get 5 Intermiles. So now for 1500 rupees, basically if you want to do the math, it is 1500 divided by 100 into 5, right? Which is approximately 75 points. So now for the same amount that you are doing, which is the same 1500 boat headphones, you get another benefit here. Now once you click on this, it does the same thing. Let me show you. You click on this and you say view more. I click on this, I said okay, it says all the available offers are here. Click here to know the eligible categories. You can know the eligible categories, but I don't want to know that. I just want to go to Amazon. Once I click on Amazon, it will automatically go to my account, which is my logged in account, and as you can see, the things that I had on my cart here are still there. Now all of these things I'm planning to buy right now because I'm also moving and shifting houses. And how am I doing this? I'm doing the exact same hack. I'm going to Gifter, I'm going to Amazon Pay, getting the 10,000 rupees voucher, and then going back here and adding it. But there's only one problem here, right? One problem here is, let's say I have the Infinia card and I do 10,000. I want to add more than one, but I can't. So you can only add maximum up to 10,000 here on this to make a particular purchase. Now, because I can't do this and my purchase amount is approximately 36,000 over here, what I did was something even smarter, right? What I did was I went back to my Smart Buy portal, and let me show you what I did. This is something that I really did right now, okay? I went back to my Smart Buy portal, and over here I went and shopped via Flipkart. Now via Flipkart, I get 3x reward points straight away, right? So I went to Flipkart and I started buying from Flipkart, and I'll see if I can show this to you as well. My orders, and as you can see here, right, I just bought 2 of the cupboards that I wanted for 40,000, approximately 41,000 here, right? Now if you look at the 2 things that I bought for 41,000 here, let me just show you how many points I get for the same, right? So I will get 41,000 divided by 150, right? This is the number of points that will start multiplying. Now I get 5 points for everything, but now I also get 3x, which is 5 into 3 is 15. So now I automatically get approximately 4,100 cash back straight away from this purchase, right? Because I get 3x points for this. So it's very simple. 41,000 divided by 150 into 5 3s are 15, which is the 5x into 3. I get approximately 4,100 rupees cash back. So net to net, I've got approximately 10% cash back straight away, right? So this is what I have done right now. I could have also bought Flipkart vouchers and done the same. I should have done that, but then I didn't do this time. But next time I will do that, right? Coming back. So guys, that was how you get any kind of headphones. Now let me tell you, it's not just boat headphones. You want a JBL headphones. You want anything under 10,000, you can use the Amazon voucher hack and get basically 10% off on anything that you do, right? Now if you say, Shashank, I want to buy an expensive TV of 30,000, then I would say every month buy 10,000 rupee voucher. You get 30,000 rupees voucher, net 10% off, so you get 3,000 rupees cash back on that, and then you buy your TV, which you save 3,000 rupees instantly. And that is nothing that you would have done differently if you didn't use credit cards. You would have still done the same thing. You would have gone and paid through credit card. In fact, you would have also done EMI. I'm saying don't do that. Think about this like in the similar way, where you just buy 10,000 rupees for the next 3 months and then finally take the maximum purchase on the 3rd month as well, right? Now, one more thing that you should definitely do is, if you have credit cards and you have multiple different credit cards, then just upload all the credit cards on Cred. It's very simple. You need to have a score of 750 and above to come on Cred in the first place. But if you do that, all your credit card information comes over there, which is a massive benefit for you guys. You also see all the card offers that are there. So all the offers of your card is under one roof. It also tells you what is the amount outstanding, what is the unbilled amount, and most importantly, it tells you your credit score and gives you a deep dive into your credit score as well. If you have done bad, it will tell you, Shashank, why have you done bad? These are the 5 reasons your credit score had dipped. But if you have done well, then it tells you, Shashank, these are the reasons why your credit score has actually gone up. So these are some of the things you need to definitely learn about when you understand and when you look at credit cards, right? Now, I hope you guys are enjoying this hack video. Till now, I've shown you the Zomato hack. I've shown you an Apple hack. Today, I've shown you the Amazon hack. Now, next, I'm going to show you another hack where you can buy beautiful branded shoes, right, from Puma. again at a massive discount. Let me show you that in the next video. Until then, I hope you guys like this, and if you did, please share it with your friends, because when you share it with your friends, not only you save 3,000, they also save a lot of money as well. So be a good friend and start sharing it with your friends who do regular purchases on Amazon, and let them learn how to save at least 5 to 10% every single time they do Amazon purchase. This is me, Shashank Goduppa, signing off. Take care. See you guys. Bye.